Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Now, let's break down what could be causing this C1034 code to pop up. The all-wheel drive system in your Lincoln is a complex network of sensors and modules, all communicating with each other. The fault could lie with one of several components. The most common culprits are the wheel speed sensors. These sensors, located at each wheel hub, tell the computer how fast each wheel is spinning. If one of these sensors fails, provides erratic data, or if the wiring to it gets damaged, the AWD module gets confused and will throw this code, often disabling the system as a safety precaution. Another potential source of the problem is the steering angle sensor. This sensor tells the AWD system which way you're turning the steering wheel. This information is vital for the system to correctly distribute power between the front and rear wheels during a turn. A faulty steering angle sensor can send incorrect data, leading to the C1034 code. Similarly, the yaw rate sensor, which measures the vehicle's rotation on its vertical axis basically, how much its fishtailing or sliding is, also a key player. If this sensor goes bad, the AWD system loses a critical piece of information for maintaining stability. And you guessed it, C1034 appears. So, you have the code, you know the potential causes. What's the next step? Diagnosing C1034 properly requires a good quality diagnostic scan tool, not just a basic code reader. You need a tool that can read live data from the individual sensors. By looking at the live data stream, you can see what each wheel speed sensor is reporting. For instance, if 3 sensors read 30 miles per hour and 1 reads 0 while you're driving, you've found your problem. You can also test the steering angle sensor by turning the wheel and watching the data change on the scanner. If the readings are jumpy or don't change, the sensor is likely the issue. Let's walk through a typical repair scenario. Let's say the scan tool points to a faulty right rear wheel speed sensor. The first thing you'll want to do is a visual inspection. Look at the sensor and its wiring. Is it covered in grime? Is the wire frayed, cut, or crooked? Sometimes a simple cleaning or a quick wiring repair is all it takes. If the wiring looks good, you can test the sensor itself. Using a multimeter, you can check its resistance and compare it to the manufacturer's specifications. If it's out of spec, it's time for a replacement. Replacing a wheel speed sensor is usually straightforward. It involves removing the wheel, unbolting the old sensor from the hub, disconnecting it, and then installing the new one in reverse order. After replacement, clear the codes with your scan tool and take the car for a test drive to ensure the code doesn't return. Before you start replacing parts though, don't forget the simple stuff. Check the condition of your tires. Are they all the same size and brand? Are they worn evenly? Mismatched or unevenly worn tires can cause the wheels to rotate at slightly different speeds, which can sometimes trick the AWD system into thinking there's a sensor fault. Also, check your vehicle's battery and charging system. Low voltage can cause all sorts of weird electronic gremlins in modern cars, including phantom fault codes. A simple battery test can save you a lot of time and money chasing a problem that is really there. C1034 might seem intimidating since it's specific to Lincoln, but with a logical approach and the right tools, it's a manageable fix. I hope this detailed breakdown of the Lincoln fault code C1034 helps you out. If you've tackled this code yourself, share your experience in the comments below. It could help someone else out. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into vehicle diagnostics and repairs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.